Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in reviewing your location history on your iPhone, you can access this information through the built-in significant location feature in the setting app. This feature records location you visit frequently to provide personalized service. Here is how to check your location history. Let's get started. Open the setting app on your phone. Now you scroll down and select privacy and security. Next step is to go to location services. Tap on location services at the top of the privacy menu. Now you scroll to the bottom of the location services menu and tap on system services. Tap on find significant locations. You might need to enter your passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID to access this section. Here you will see a list of locations that have been recorded. You can tap on individual locations to view detailed history and visit. If you want to clear your location history, scroll to the bottom of the significant location screen and tap Clear History. For important note, the significant location feature is intended to enhance services like location-based reminders. If you want to stop recording your location history, you can juggle up the significant locations at the top of the significant location screen. Another point to know is that your location data is stored securely and encrypted on your device. It is not shared with third parties. By following these steps, you can review and manage your location history on your iPhone. This helps you to understand the data being used to personalize your experience and allow you to control your privacy setting effectively. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.